Imagine a purpose-driven organization where all employees are energized by an aspiration above and beyond making money. A significant purpose that gives them meaning and aligns everyone in the same direction. Imagine an organization that adapts very quickly to the evolving contexts because it is structured like a living organism as a network of self-organizing teams. These teams have no bosses, are responsible for the team governance, and are part of a peer-based coordination system that keeps the organization aligned. Within these teams, people fill dynamic roles that reflect clear evolving accountabilities and the perimeter of their individual authority, so that they can make all the decisions related to their job autonomously. Imagine a company with exceptional organizational agility. Everyone knows at any point in time what the unfolding priorities are for the organization, for their team, for themselves. Every person has the authority and access to the right information to make sound decisions to advance the strategy. Imagine an organization that drives at full speed because it has fully embraced the principle of radical simplicity in every process, and it is not slowed down by bureaucracy. In this environment, trust permeates all relationships, and as a result, people give their best to advance the organizational purpose with no need for control mechanisms, strict policies, and layers of management. Imagine the results that can be achieved when people are fully accountable, engaged, and empowered to act as entrepreneurs within their company. Each employee knows exactly how they and any other peer are contributing to the advancement of the organizational and team purpose, and share ongoing peer feedback to develop their competencies and enhance their effectiveness. What you have just imagined is a company powered by the AEquacy design and operating system.